Good day everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem in chapter 8, Open Channel, from the book Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics 4th edition by 𝙭𝚻𝚀. So, here's the problem. A circular concrete sewer, 1.80 meters in diameter and flowing half full, is laid on a slope of 5 meters per 6 kilometers. Determine the discharge. N is equals to 0.013. In solving the discharge, we're going to use the Manning equation, where A is the cross-sectional area, N is the roughness, R is the radius, and S is the slope. So, in the given problem, we have a 180 meters diameter, which is to be divided by 2 to get the value of the radius. And since it's half full, for the semicircular section, we have radius is equals to R over 2. Substitute all values and we have the discharge 1.66 cubic meter per second. So this is for today's problem. We hope you learned something from us and kindly see our next videos for more information. Thank you.